Venus rotates backward a planet in reverse. Venus does something truly unusual. It spins backward compared to most planets in the solar system. While Earth rotates on its axis from west to east, Venus spins from east to west. This retrograde rotation means the sun rises in the west and sets in the east on Venus, a concept that's hard to imagine for those of us used to Earth's patterns. The reasons for this backward spin remain a cosmic mystery. Scientists theorize that a massive collision with an asteroid or proto-planet during Venus's formation may have flipped its axis. Another possibility is the influence of gravitational forces from the sun and other planets, gradually altering its spin over billions of years. What's even more fascinating is that a day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. It takes about 243 Earth days for Venus to complete one rotation on its axis, but only 225 Earth days to orbit the sun. This creates a bizarre dynamic where the planet's surface experiences incredibly long periods of daylight and darkness, leading to extreme environmental conditions. Venus's slow and backward rotation contributes to its thick, stagnant atmosphere, as the planet lacks the Coriolis effect that creates dynamic weather patterns on Earth. This strange spin offers clues about the chaotic early days of planetary formation and how celestial collisions can shape a world's destiny.